Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Grammarly with Google Meet easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Grammarly with Google Meet, first, ensure you have a Google account and Grammarly installed. Open your Google Chrome browser. Visit the Chrome web store and search for Grammarly. Click on the Add to Chrome button to install the Grammarly extension. Once installed, you'll see the Grammarly icon in the upper right corner of your Chrome window. Sign in to your Grammarly account by clicking on the icon and entering your credentials. Now, open Google Meet in your browser. Start or join a meeting as you normally would. Once you're in the meeting, open the chat feature on the right side of the screen. Type a message in the chat box to see Grammarly at work. Grammarly will underline any spelling, grammar, or punctuation errors in real time. Click on the underlined words to see suggestions and corrections. In Google Meet, Grammarly won't work in voice but will assist in text communication. If you want to use Grammarly for documents shared during your meeting, copy and paste them into a Google Doc. Grammarly will provide real-time suggestions as you write in the document. This will help ensure your written communication is clear and professional during meetings. Once you're done, make sure to close out the chat feature as needed. You've now successfully connected Grammarly with Google Meet for enhanced communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve accounts. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.